Let's learn alphabet. A. A says a, apple, apple, apple. B. B says b, bee, bee, bee. C. C says k, cat, cat, cat. D. D says d, dog, dog, dog. E. E says egg, egg, egg. F says fish, fish, fish. G. G says g, goose, goose, goose. H says hamster, hamster, hamster. I says igloo, igloo, igloo. J says jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. K says kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. L says leopard, leopard, leopard. M says monkey, monkey, monkey. N says newt, newt, newt.
O
Says
orange, orange, orange.
P says polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. Q says quail, quail, quail. R says rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S says snake, snake, snake. T says tiger, tiger, tiger. U says ah, 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 umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V says v, 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 vulture, vulture, v, vulture. W says who, whale, whale, whale. X says xanthus, xanthus, xanthus. Y says yak, yak, yak. Z says zebra, zebra, zebra.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.